Question: how do I transfer a land title if the owner is deceased in the Philippines? Transferring a land title in the Philippines when the owner has passed away involves a legal process that ensures the property is distributed correctly to the rightful heirs. Here's a breakdown of the steps involved, based on the provided search results. 1. Determine the heirs and mode of succession. In testate succession, if the deceased did not leave a will, the property will be distributed according to the Philippine Civil Code, which outlines the legal heirs and their respective shares. Testate succession: if a will exists, the property will be distributed according to the will, provided it complies with Philippine law regarding compulsory heirs' shares. 2. Secure the death certificate. The first step is obtaining the deceased person's death certificate from the Philippine Statistics Authority PSA or the local civil registry office. 3. Extrajudicial settlement of estate. No will. If there's no will, the heirs can opt for an extrajudicial settlement if they agree on the distribution and the estate is debt-free. This involves a notarized agreement outlining the property division and publication in a newspaper for 3 consecutive weeks. Judicial settlement: if there are disputes among heirs or minors are involved, a judicial settlement through the courts is necessary. The court will determine the estate division based on the law and presented evidence. 4. File an estate tax return. The heirs or administrators must file an estate tax return with the Bureau of Internal Revenue (BIR) within 1 year of the decedent's death. Extensions are possible. The estate tax rate is based on the property and asset value, and tax amnesties may be available. 5. Obtain a certificate authorizing registration car. After paying the estate tax, the BIR will issue a car. This certificate confirms the estate tax settlement and is essential for transferring the property title. 6. Pay transfer taxes and registration fees. Once the car is secured and the settlement is finalized, pay the transfer tax at the local government unit (LGU) where the property is located. Registration fees are also required at the Registry of Deeds for processing the transfer. 7. Submit documents to the Registry of Deeds. Submit the following documents to the Registry of Deeds: original land title in the deceased's name, certified true copy of the death certificate car from the BIR, extrajudicial settlement or court order for judicial settlement, proof of payment of estate and transfer taxes, tax clearance from the LGU, valid IDs of the heirs or their authorized representative. Special power of attorney (SPA) if applicable. 8. Issuance of new land title. Once all documents are in order and fees are paid, the Registry of Deeds will cancel the old title and issue a new transfer certificate of title (TCT) in the names of the heirs or designated beneficiaries, as outlined in the settlement agreement.